What's up guys, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Vike Studio here. So in this short video or this short tutorial, I want to quickly show you how you can see how your website is running online or how your website is moving online using the SEO tool. So right here, I would like to show you first the website I recently worked on. I've already delivered the website. So let's just take a little tour on the website to see some of the responsiveness of the website. Alright, boom, here is the website. As you can see, here is the website. Yeah, this is the website. So I'll be showing you how to know or how to see if this website is currently working well on the internet. So quickly we'll go to the site now where I'll show you that. So here are some of the pages. The project page, we have the project page, we have the service page, we have the about us page. Yeah, this is a project page. This is the project us page. I think here will be the about page. Is the about us page. So quickly I'll show you how to know if your website is running correctly on the internet. So what you do is just head up to your Chrome and then you type in, you can actually do this with your phone actually. So you just type in Google page speed. Okay, alright, let's check something like this. Google page speed. Alright, what we are going to click here will be this. Yeah, this make web faster. That is Google for developers. So we hit on this. Alright, so it will bring you to this their home page, something like this. Yeah, coming slide, still loading. Yeah, this is the site. So it will bring you to something like this, and what you just do is just scroll down a little. You see analyze with page speed inside. So you just click on that. Just click on the analyze with page inside. So you allow it to load. Alright, still loading. So once it's finished loading, what you just do is you go back to your website, just copy your website address and then you paste it there. So I'm copying mine right now. I'll just copy and then go back to the site and then you see enter web page URL. So what I'm going to do is now I'll just right click and then paste my website address here, and then I'll just click on analyze to see how this website is running online. And this is quite okay because it will show you how it is running on the mobile phone, that is the smartphone, and on the desktop. And then where there is a problem, it can indicate that for you so that you can correct this. That's why I so much love this space here. So you leave it to load. It's still loading. Okay, still loading. Alright, now for the mobile side, how the website is running on the mobile, I think the performance here is 61%, the accessibility is 90%, the best practice is 100%. You can see that. Then the SEO is 85%. Actually, for the best practice and the performance, they were below 40. Because the reason why they were below 40 was because this page does not have, the website does not have the SSL certificate. That is why it was below 40 then. But I included the SSL certificate to the website and then it's now having this best practice as 100%, then the performance is now 61%. What I mean by the SSL certificate is, once you do not see any lock sign on any website, just know that that website is not secured. You should not enter that such website. So, but our website here is very secured, quite okay. So let's scroll down to see. Okay, time, total blocking time is 90 minutes per second. Okay, that is okay. Right, so I think for the mobile version is working quite alright. We have 61 performance, it's quite okay. So let's check the desktop version. Check the desktop version. Just come over here and then you click on this desktop to see. Wow. See, on the desktop the performance here is what, 76%, the accessibility 90. Okay, it's quite okay. The SEO2 is 82 here. I think it's the same with the mobile. I think I like it this way. Okay, the total blocking time 0. Okay, I think this is quite okay here. So the desktop version is running faster than the mobile version. So I think the first time I checked this website, it was indicating what is preventing the website from loading fast. So I quickly went back to the back end of what I was doing to correct that. There was an image I used and the file size was too big, so I just have to reduce the file size before it start working fine. Alright, so I hope you find this video helpful. If this is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like on this video and let me know your comment down below. Peace.